In this video, we will learn about what is constructor in Java. Constructor are the special member functions of a class which are used to initialize an object, putting value in properties of an object while creating it. This process is known as object initialization, and those values are known as initial values. Uses of constructor. If you want to perform any task only once in the life cycle of an object, then put that code of that task into the constructor. If you want to provide certain common resources to each object of your class like database connection, creating GUI, file connection, etc., then put these code resources into the constructor. Rules of constructor. No class can exist without any constructor. If there is no constructor in the class, then one non-parameterized or default constructor is inserted into the class by the compiler itself. Constructor can be overloaded. Overloaded means you can have multiple constructors which have different data types or parameter list. Constructor must be having same name as the class name. Constructor are not having any return type. Constructor are automatically called. You cannot call them explicitly. Types of constructor. Default constructor. A constructor with no parameter is called a default constructor. If a class does not explicitly define any constructor, Java provides a default constructor automatically. It initializes instance variables to their default value. Example 0 for numeric value, null for object reference type. Example, we have a class named myClass which have a default constructor myClass whose name is same as class name. We are creating the object of this class. When we call new myClass, this constructor has been called and it initializes this data member. It initializes data member a equal to 0 and int b equal to 0 because int default value is 0. So it initializes both the data member with the 0. Parameterized constructor. A constructor that accepts parameter is called a parameterized constructor. It allows you to initialize the object with a specific value during object creation. We have a class which name is myClass. We have a constructor which is same name as class name and we are accepting an argument here. We are creating the object of the class new myClass. When this code execute, constructor has been called and 10 value will be passed here. This 10 value is initialized to data member of the class number n. This is known as a parameterized constructor. That's all about